Hey guys, not a whole lot of backstory leading up to this one because we just got to the airport pre-flighted and hopped in and went. We were kind of short on time, so I figured I'd give a little backstory now. This one we went and hit out some really fun local spots, and this first spot we went to is this really nice, big, long, wide, flat gravel bar that's just super simple and easy, and just a fun place to meet up. And then after that we went to this really fun uphill, tight, no-go-around spot that I was shown about 3 weeks prior to this, and got to go and show the guys that spot. And then we went and hit up another spot after that, but didn't end up putting that in the video, just didn't make the cut, trying to keep this one a little shorter and more concise for you guys. So hope you enjoy coming along with us on this afternoon getaway. And there's not a whole lot of commentary during the day on this one because I wasn't actually planning to do any vlogging this day, but Mark ended up getting such amazing shots with the drone that I couldn't help but actually turn it into a video. So enjoy coming along because we sure enjoyed the day.
Auburn traffic, Kitfox 531, Papa Lima departing 25, south departure, Auburn. Hey John, yep. Yep. Okay, I'm just over Home Depot. I'm heading over that way. I'll show you that uphill if you want. How far are you out? Oh, that'd be great. I mean, gosh, we're only a couple miles, yeah, we're 1 mile from that uphill spot. Oh yeah, I see it down there. It looks pretty awesome. You just keep it right next to the road? Yeah, it's definitely a no-go round strip, so you're committed once you get in there. Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, just remember to stay kind of to the right side, and then you'll miss that bush with your right wing just a little bit at the very top of the hill. You got to keep that power up because it's pretty steep. Okay, I see the 2 trees there, and okay, yeah, you got to keep those 2 trees off to the right. I got it. Yeah, on your right wing as you're coming up the hill, and then I'll taxi up there and then get out of the way. I don't have a handheld with me, but I'll just get out of my airplane. I'll park it. Okay, sounds good. You see where that road turns back to the right? That little, looks like a car road? Yeah. So just above that a little bit is that angled ditch. So you got to touch down a little bit beyond that. Okay. And it's real steep, so you're going to slow down big time. Gotcha. You got to keep that power going up the hill. Okay. Yeah, that looks amazing. Yeah, I see that angled ditch and everything. So shoot, yeah, I'll give it a go. Okay.
All right, we're just about committed to this one.
little extra speed for this uphill. There's 60. 60 is good speed.
And we're down.
All right, cool. We saw that. I'm going to circle here.
Cool. And there are some rocks marked, but I think you'll probably be all right.
Very good.
All right, about to launch off of probably my new favorite spot. It's pretty awesome. Nice little downhill. Woohoo! Love it. Got to carry a little speed into this uphill. Go around the bend. That is so fun. My gosh, I had to turn the intercom on just so you can hear me say how much fun that is. That's so much fun.
Anything different I should know? Like,
No, just get it straight, look farther down, you know, you obviously see those trees off to the left. Until you get your tail up, you're not going to see much in front of you, so just, you know, find a point on that ridge that you can see, that you know you're pointing the right direction.
okay.
And then I would keep the stick forward to, you know, neutral, and then once you add power, you can go, once you start rolling, go full forward stick.
Okay. 1, 2, 3 engine. Good.
Yep. Yeehaw! There we go. And now you're flying. Yeah! That's so fun, dude. I love this spot. Wow! Right?
Change.
Makes you feel like a rocket ship when you're taking off downhill like that.
All right, boys, we just launched. Where are you guys at?
Yeah, John, we just got you.
Okay, are you guys above us or farther downstream?
Both downstream here. I'm at about 1,500.
Okay, I think I got you in sight, Mark.
I better get home too. I got a runway to build.
Oh man, I'm so stoked for you. That is gonna be just so awesome.
I know, we'll have to have a big barbecue once I get it in.
Oh man, yeah, if you need any help, it'd be fun to come up there and give you a hand.
I just need some motivation to get on the tractor instead of getting the airplane.
That's tough, man. That's really tough.
Alright guys, I'm swinging off to the south here, going over the dam and head back to Lodi.
All right, buddy. That was just a blast. That was so much fun, dude.
Thanks for the invite. Hopefully I got some good footage. I'll share it with you.
All right, sounds good. I already let Jeff know that he missed out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, some cars over there.
Yeah, Mark, that was awesome. And John, thanks for showing us that uphill spot. That was sweet.
Yeah, man. That was just a good, fun day, afternoon all around.
Yes, sir. Always fun after work.
Yeah, dude, that was so much fun.
Yeah.
And yeah, like I was saying, each one of those spots is completely different from the next. Like, completely different, with their own different unique challenges and gotchas. And we did it with both of us on board and full tanks today. Each one of those spots we landed at with both you and I on board. And I mean, we haven't gone hardly any. I'm still showing completely full tanks because we haven't gone anywhere.
Totally, huh?
That's a lot of fun in however many hours we've been out.
Auburn traffic, Kitfox 531, Pub Lima's final 25.
Go, dude. Heels, yeah. Even with the little balloon, and then you fixed it. Just see, the key is the instant you touch down, give it that forward stick.
Yeah, I was thinking of last time.
Yeah.
When we ballooned, and then you talked about it yesterday.
There goes $20 worth of rubber, John.
I know, believe me, I was eyeing the north side of that runway. We need to start using it.
It looks good from up here.
Oh yeah, absolutely. No reason to land on pavement if we don't have to.
That's the thing, right? That whole time, did you think about who was elected president or the Senate race or COVID or any of that just earthly crap, right?
Nope.
It's just, man, it just clears your brain. It's just so much fun, man. It's just like you're out there doing this stuff. You're just living in the moment.
Yep.
Like nothing else matters.
Never cared for what they say.
Yeah. 'Cause nothing else matters. Now we gotta get you landed at that uphill spot, dude.